froyo.
The peach and the banana.
Yeah, how nice is that?
The texture's amazing. I can't believe you can do that at home and so quickly.
And now's the time of season for peaches. I just had peach pancakes for
right.
breakfast. So
it's such a short window, isn't it?
I know, it is.
I know.
All right, this is crazy.
I know.
Can I just tell you, for 17 years, we've had your company and Tara's company,
Yes.
Temp-tations, here at QVC and sold 18 million sets of your beautiful hand-painted stoneware. And to be able to see a beautiful ruffled bowl of this size, 2 quarts, at less than $17.
I know.
I don't know how you were able to do this.
I know.
But this is a crazy bananas kind of offer
It's
on
crazy.
something so stunning.
Yeah, and whether you're new to Temp-tations or you've been collecting for the 17 years that we've been here, Stacy, this is that bowl, that perfect size. It's 2 quarts, so it's middle of the road. But there's so much detail. When we look at the scalloping all along the top, we don't have any other bowl like this. Then it comes down with the beautiful hand painting. I'm showing you the green old world, but look at this. Look at the inside of this bowl. What's so great about it is, like, this is the bowl like your grandmother had on her coffee table.
Absolutely.
But this is a bowl that's a baker too. So oven safe to 500
It looks
degrees.
like a fine china bowl, but you could never put china in the oven and cook in it. And
Or
mix
put
it.
your KitchenAid mixer right in here. So this is that must-have peach and peach. Oh, peach.
It's on her brain.
But at this amazing value, and because we are retiring this, I see this as an absolute must-have in your kitchen.
Yeah, we had a lot more colors. We had seasonals, but because
Yes.
we've gotten down to our final few, you do get this clearance price.
Wow.
And a great easy pay. So why don't we walk through the choices of what
Sure.
we have, because we do have your 2 most popular patterns.
Yeah.
That's the old world and the floral lace
Yep,
patterns.
exactly. So this is the green old world.
Okay.
And then we kind of group this according to color, okay?
All right.
So the old world's going to be on the top. You see the floral lace on the bottom? Like, look at that saturation of color. There's really a difference in the pattern, so you just have to choose your favorite. So here's the cranberry old world, the cranberry floral lace.
Okay.
Here's the red. And I just think like a pop of red in your kitchen, even if it's not your color, is awesome, right?
It's like a little pop of drama.
Exactly. So there's the red. And you know what? Can we just show the inside of the floral lace
Oh,
if you don't
absolutely.
mind, so we
Show
can
that.
see? See how it's the reverse color? So we do the white on the interior, then pop it with that hand painting of the floral lace red.
Hand painted, but you don't have to baby these because you throw your Temp-tations in the dishwasher.
Crazy,
Yeah,
right?
awesome. I see this as a gorgeous fruit bowl on a kitchen island.
I love
as
this.
a centerpiece bowl, or even in the entryway. It's so elegant in a way. You could throw mails, like
Anything.
your letters and keys. Okay, so this is our spice collection.
I
here.
love that.
Okay, spice old world up top, and then that beautiful spice floral lace.
Yeah. So pretty. How about the
Okay.
eggplant,
All
right?
right,
You
so
love this.
my stepmother collects eggplant old world.
Okay.
And I collect eggplant floral lace.
Well, then you have to get both.
And I think,
Right.
Well, it's $60.68.
You
I
can.
would never. I mean, going into a specialty kitchen store and to see something hand painted like this at a
Amazing.
2-quart bowl
I
would be
know.
$40, $50.
I
Yeah.
know.
All
And
right.
how about the brown choices? You know what I like about these? The top we call Old World Brown. The bottom we call Floral Lace Chocolate. It's really neutral. So if you're buying this as maybe a gift, a housewarming gift, it's perfect.
Yeah, especially if you're going to use this other places than maybe the kitchen. I think these tones, these earth tones
Furniture
are beautiful.
colors, right? Yeah. And then the last two that we have in floral lace are that light blue. Look how gorgeous that is. This is what I collect, the black. And I think that's like a great shower gift, wedding gift. It's just beautiful.
Do not wait if you love the black floral lace, because I only have 3 dozen available.
Oh my
And then
gosh.
it is gone, because this is a retiring style. This is on Easy Pay, so you can break up the price and pay over time. With any credit card, it's $5.56. But you can double that Easy Pay by ordering with your Q card and get it home for $2.78. Why we love stoneware. Let's
Right.
talk about the benefits of just what this is made of.
Yeah, because we saw all the beauty, we saw all the value. And now let's talk about what it can do in your kitchen. So first of all, 2-quart capacity is perfect. It's middle of the road sizing.
That's a lot of pasta salad
It
for
sure
middle of the
is
road.
for middle of the
right?
road. But what I love about it is Stomer's going to keep your cold cold. Super important in the summertime when we're thinking about mayonnaise-based salads, fruit salads. But we call this a baker as well because it can go into the oven up to 500 degrees. So let me
It's
run
incredible.
back there.
Okay, while you
and
do
show
that,
you.
and I just love how great, if you already own Temp-tations, this bowl is just going to blend right in with your other pieces. Whether you already have the floral lace or the old world style, but you're getting one of the most used pieces, and that's a bowl, for $16 and change. And you get the most requests are always for bowls, aren't they?
Yeah, because our bowls are multifunctional because they are bakers like this. Now, a couple things. Notice that scalloping, how it creates a natural handle, no matter where I put my hands, which is perfect. But oven safe to 500 degrees. And here's what I love about it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The fact that, look at this. I'm going to pull this cheese. This is a hot crab dip. Do you ever go to the restaurant and that's like an appetizer, like a hot crab, an artichoke, or look
With
at
some
this.
Old Bay on top. Yeah.
So natural.
But nothing's sticking to the bowl.
Look at that, how it's just literally pulling away from the side.
Did you have to spray that and butter it?
You don't have to, because all stoneware is naturally nonstick. But you see how you see the beautiful pattern peeking out all around the inside? That's the difference between having this bowl and a glass bowl or a metal bowl. This is truly pretty.
It's gorgeous. And again, it holds a lot at 2 quarts. It's a lot of crab dip. That'll be a lot of potato salad. How about dessert? And what's wonderful is you make something this beautiful, you make it ahead, and because we can put it in the refrigerator, it'll help stay cold, right? And then when you put it on the table, it keeps it cold, so whoever arrives late to the party, you always have one of those, right?
Might be me.
I have a feeling, no, I would think Mark Charles Basili might be the one who arrives late.
Well, he was late to my party by
See,
30
there you
minutes
go.
a few weeks
But even
ago.
he would get a cold piece. What is this?
This is just a lemon mousse, and this is what I love about it. Whether you took the time to make this yourself, but we're all trying to find more time in our lives, or you picked this up at the grocery store and you placed it in here. We eat with our eyes first. So before you even came over here, you were like, wait, what is that? It looks spectacular. We just help you make everything look better. But look at that presentation. It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. And I will say, when I started using Temp-tations and got my sets home, I was creating the same recipes that my family always loved. But all of a sudden, even I, seeing it in a dish like Temp-tations, was like, oh my God, it looks amazing. Is this something new? Like the family got excited again just because you're serving it in something that's so special. Looks like that special bowl, but you don't have to baby it. And even if you had to mix something in here with a hand mixer,
no problem.
Those metal beaters are not going to damage the hand painting.
Not
it
at all.
is a workhorse. All right, so let's go through choices. This
Sure
is very
thing.
popular. You all are recognizing and loving this clearance price of $16.68.
It's crazy when I look at it in the monitor, and this is an amazing value. So in Old World, we have the green.
Very popular right now.
Okay, then we have 2 choices in cranberry. Old World at the top. Here's the cranberry floral lace. Here's the red choices. Here's the spice. And I love filling that with peaches, by the way.
Oh, or just your oranges.
Your
If you
orange
eat
is
oranges
so
all the time, this would be
pretty.
your orange fruit bowl, right?
Then there's your colors.
Oh, the eggplants. Look how pretty both of them are.
Yeah.
Great. I think if you're going to use this in another room, your brown and your chocolate.
Yes. And then look, I want to give you another sneak peek of the inside of floral lace. This is the light blue, like robin's egg, and then the black, which, by the way, spectacular gift down there in the black floral lace.
Less than 3 dozen in that black, though. Get it before that's gone. Please be on the line for any of these colors, because this clearance price, or the bowls aren't going to last forever. They're retiring. H219078 is your item number. Thank you so much for stopping by.
So nice to see you
It
on
was
a
worth
Saturday
it, right?
morning.
Getting ice cream at 10 a.m.
Yeah, love your